Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, compass, heated steering wheel, security system, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, overhead console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.